Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. So, in order to help you and make things easy, this is a very short video where I will be talking about some starting and ending of informal letter. Okay, I will be talking about the salutations and signing of phrases as well. So, just watch this small video so that your ideas are cleared and you can easily pick some greeting and signing off phrase to start and end your letter. Now, for journal and formal letters, we for the salutation part or greeting, we may use dear and the first name like dear Ahmad and comma, hi, name, hello, name, my dearest name, dearest and hey name. It's very casual. So you're going to write dear and the name, and the name should begin with a capital letter, and from the next line you will begin your letter. Now for the signing off part, at the closing part, when you finish your letter, then you may use any of this phrase which appeals you, like best wishes, comma, and after it you will write your name. Lots of love, with love, take care, yours truly, love, all the best, cheers, warm, regards, affectionately, miss you. So any suitable start according to your letter can be taken, and after the comma, next line you will write your name to finish it. Now for the friendly letter to some friend or to cousin, you may start like hey and name, like hey Ali, comma. Hope you are doing great. It's been ages since we last spoke. And then you can like begin talking about the topic which you have to discuss in your letter writing. For the ending part, you may write this catchy phrase, catch up soon, exclamatory mark, lots of love, and your name. Now, for the letter to a family member like sibling, parent, or grandparent, you may start dearest mom. You may say dearest dad if it is to your dad. Or if you're writing a letter to some grandparent, then you can write dearest grandma or dearest grandpa. So you may start with this starting line, I hope you are doing well, I miss you so much. And for the ending part, you may say hugs and kisses with love and then your name. I'm sure that this video has helped you in deciding your greetings and your signing off for informal letter. So the next video will be talking about an email start and ending, and then I will make another video where I will be talking about a report start and ending. So stay blessed. Good luck for your upcoming exam. Allah Hafiz.